Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change your Yahoo account's password. To change your Yahoo account's password, you can go ahead and sign into yahoo.com on a web browser, or if you're using your mobile device, you can launch open the Yahoo Mail application. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and click on the profile picture at the top left corner. From the expanded pop-up menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Manage Accounts at the top. Go ahead and select your Yahoo Mail account that you want to change password on and tap on the account button right underneath it. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page where you'll need to click on Security. Enter your device's passcode to open the Security menu. Under Security, you will see several different options. Click on Password. Now, enter your new password in the tab on the next page. After typing down a strong password, click Continue. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on your Yahoo Mail application. Next time while signing into your account, make sure to type in the newly updated password. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.